Temple, located on the banks of Vempanad Lake on the Tripunithura-Vaikam route 20 kilometers south of Ernakulam, is unique in its status as an abode of snake idols brought from abandoned groves across Kerala. The name Ameda itself points to the history of the temple. Once the Saptamatrukal, the gods to whom the temple is dedicated, including Veerabhadran, Ganapati, Brahmani, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Indrani, and Chamundi, were traveling through the lake mounted on a tortoise. Legend says that Lord Parashurama, one of the incarnations of Lord Vishnu, who retrieved land from the sea to form Kerala, stepped into the lake and the tortoise could not move forward. The place where the tortoise came to a standstill came to be known as Amaninayidam, which later on became Ameda. In local dialect, Ama means tortoise, hence the name of the temple. Behind the temple, there is a sculpture of a tortoise depicting the vehicle which carried the gods. The carved Gopuravadil or the main big door adorns the temple facade. As we enter the temple, we can see many idols of snakes made up of different materials. Mostly carved in rock, the sculptures are a part of the sacred grove in the temple. While Saptamatrukal is the main deity of the Sanctum Sanctorum, there are shrines dedicated to Nagaraja and Nagayakshi in the northwest and northeast, and a shrine dedicated to Mahavishnu in the north, respectively. Sarpatavar or snake groves were traditionally seen in many homesteads in Kerala. Snake idols are kept in these groves, worship and rituals carried out, and live snakes are fed and allowed to roam free. But these days it has become difficult to maintain these groves with the disintegration of the joint family system and nuclear families finding it difficult to house such things. Ameda Temple is one such temple that accepts the snake spirits of the sacred groves from the places that the landowners are unable to maintain. Sarparadhana or snake worship is done on all Ailyam Nakshatras, but the ones in the Malayalam months of Kanni, Tulam, Vrishchigam and Meenam are most sacred and important. Ameda Temple is owned and managed by Ameda Mangalam family. Mr. Vasudevan Nambudiri, one of the priests belonging to the family, says that people approaching them to invoke the spirits of their grove to the Ameda Temple have gone up in the last decade from 1 or 2 in a year to about 100 a year. Though priests perform rituals and prayers as per astrological predictions, in some cases even these rituals is of no use if the spirits do not want to leave the place. Of the thousands of sacred groves which existed in Kerala, only a few remain. Mr. Nambudiri, who retired from Hindustan Newsprint in Vellore, runs a cattle farm as part of the temple, which provides pure milk needed for pujas at the temple. For more such interesting features, do keep watching webindia123.com.